Good morning, students. How are you all? I welcome you in EVS online class. So yesterday we have completed chapter number 11, houses, then and now, right? So today we are going to do the book exercise of this lesson. So first we are going to do A part. Going to do A part. Tick the correct option. Okay, take the correct option. So first one is in olden times, पुराने ज़माने में houses had one or two stories with very dash roofs, कि जो घर की पहले टाइम में जो घर होते थे उनकी जो छत थी वो डैश रूफ थी. ओके, सो ऑप्शंस आर ए लो, ऑप्शन बी हाई, ऑप्शन सी small, and option D is big. So what do you think? What should be the answer? Answer is B, high. Okay, so in olden time the houses had one or more two stories with very high roof. Now second one, in olden times, okay, cow dung mixed with dash was used to make floor. So in olden time मड में और काउडंग में क्या यूज करते थे, मिक्स करते थे. So options are A, leaves, whether they mix the cow dung and leaves. Option B is straw, whether they make straw, cow dung and straw, whether they mix C, mud or cow dung, and the option D is water. So what do you think? What should be the answer? So in olden time, cow dung mixed with mud, okay, was used to make floor. So answer 2 is C, mud. Okay, so now we are going to do the third one. So the third question is the houses of multi-story buildings are called? So the houses with multi-storied building are called options A skyscrapers, option B flats, option C bungalows, and option D haveli. So the houses of multi-story building, जो multi-story buildings होती हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑप्शन ए स्काईस्क्रेपर, बी फ्लैट, बंगलोस की हवेली. सो आंसर इज बी flats. Okay, so the houses of multi-story buildings are called flats. Now the fourth one, dash are big houses, dash are big houses with lawns and parking areas. So sorry, with parking space, not areas, space. So dash are big houses with lawns and parking space. जिनके बीच में lawns और parking space है उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? So options are A skyscrapers, option B bungalows, and O WS bungalows, C flats, and D huts. You might have noticed that here the options are in capital letters. Why so? Because this word will come in front. Okay, first word is always in capital letters. That's why the options are in capitals. Okay, so dash are big houses with lawns and parking space. जो बड़े घर होते हैं जहाँ पर लॉन्स और पार्किंग स्पेस होती है उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बंगलोज. ओके, सो आंसर इज आंसर फोर्थ बी bungalows. Okay, so bungalows are big houses with lawns and parking space. So now we are going to do the B part. So now we are going to do the B part. Fill in the blanks using the help box. Okay, here they have given you the help box, and with that help box only you have to write the answer. So in help box, first option is cement, second is high, third is unplanned, fourth is apartments, and last one is gas stoves. So these are the help box, and using this words only you have to complete the filling the blanks. Okay, so the first one is houses in earlier times has, it's not has, it's had dash ceilings. So what do you think? We have read that in houses in earlier time had high ceilings, right? So answer is high. Second question, modern, M should touch the tree line beta. Modern houses are mostly made of dash. So the modern houses are mostly made of cement. Okay, the answer is cement. Third, people in cities cook on dash. तो जो सिटीज में खाना बनाते हैं किस पर बनाते हैं? आंसर इज गैस स्टोव. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ वन इज इन सिटीज, की सिटीज में पीपल live in multi-story dash. तो सिटीज पे पीपल मल्टी स्टोरेज क्या होते हैं? अपार्टमेंट्स. आंसर इज अपार्टमेंट. APARTMENTS अपार्टमेंट्स. ओके, the last one is fifth, slums are dash. तो जो slums है वो क्या है? unplanned, means they are not prepared by the plan. So fill in the blanks using the help box, and the options are cement, high, unplanned, apartment and gas stove. Using these options only we have to fill in the blanks. First one, houses in earlier time had dash ceilings. So the houses in earlier times had high ceilings. Modern houses are mostly made of dash. So modern houses are mostly made of cement. So people in cities cook on dash. So people in cities cook on gas stove. In cities people live in multi-story dash. So in cities people live in multi-story apartments. Fifth, slums are dash. So slums are unplanned. Okay, so this one is your A and B part is complete for today, and tomorrow we will do C part and D part, that is true and false, and answer the following question. So this one you have to complete this A and B part in your notebook in good handwriting and send me picture so that I can check your work. So that's all for the day. Thank you. Take care and complete your work in good handwriting.